Zara, how old are you? 2. You're not 2 yet. This is January 2012. You'll be 2 in April 2012. What's the opposite of open?
Close.
Close. Good girl. What's the opposite of over?
Over.
Under. Good girl. What's the opposite of up?
Down.
Down. Good girl. What's the opposite of hard?
Soft.
Soft. Good girl. What's the opposite of in?
Out.
Out. Good girl. What's the opposite of heavy?
Yeah.
Light. Good girl. What's the opposite of loud?
Quiet.
Quiet. Good girl. What's the opposite?
Quiet.
Quiet. Yeah. What's the opposite of sweet?
Sour.
Sour. Good girl. What's the opposite? What's the opposite of full?
Ringing.
What's the opposite of full?
Ringing.
Phone is ringing. Okay. What's the opposite of full?
Empty.
Empty. Good girl. What's the opposite of boy?
Empty.
What's the opposite of boy? Zara, what's the opposite of boy? Okay. What's the opposite of wet?
Dada.
Dry. Good girl. What's the opposite of boy?
Bow.
Girl. Good girl. What's the opposite of forward?
One.
Backwards. Good girl. What's the opposite of right side up?
Banana.
Upside down. Good girl. What's the opposite of straight?
Okay.
Crooked. Good girl. What's the opposite of asleep?
Wait.
Awake. Good girl. What's the opposite of short? What's the opposite of short? Zara, what's the opposite of short? No. What's the opposite? Quiet. What's the opposite of quiet? What?